How to add Google Maps in Canva. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, what you simply need to do is launch the Canva application on a device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now select a template or a plain design over here. As you do that, what you can simply do is you can see different menus over here at the bottom of the screen. So just swipe it and tap on the apps option over here. As you tap on apps, search for Google Maps over here and you'll be able to see the Google Maps application icon over here. So tap on it and then you can tap on the search bar and search for any locations over here. Now as you get the location, so tap on the picture or the image over here and here you'll be able to land the Google Map in your Canva. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.